Hi, my name is Chris Morales, and my student ID number is 00618-2016. And I did write down the questions that we have to answer. So, identify which workshop you attended. I attended Coping with Stress and Burnout by Orlando Gunasekere. I'm not sure how I pronounce his name, but the reason why I attended this workshop is because I wanted to attend a workshop that I found the most interesting, and something that I did learn that I didn't know before is that something that is stressful to me won't be considered stressful to someone else. So if I'm telling them something that is stressing me out, they'll probably wonder like, why is that stressing her out? Like, she's not really like how do you say it? She shouldn't be stressing over this. This is something simple. So something that you might think isn't worth stressing over, others might think it's something that is stressing over. Another thing that I did learn is that there is no proper definition for stress. So there is a popular definition, which is it is physical, mental, or emotional pain, and it's caused by any little thing that your mind or brain thinks is stressful at the time. Another thing that I did really like about the workshop was that throughout the video he would stop and ask polls or take polls. Before he would tell us what it was about, we take it, and after the poll there would be another slide where he would talk about what we had. And one of the polls that I found the most interesting was where it was close to burnout. So he wanted us to mark every little thing that we felt close to, like if you don't feel comfortable at work, or if you feel like what you're doing isn't good enough, you just check these little boxes, and at the end you'd add up what the boxes had, um, the score that the rate that you would give them, you would add it, and at the end, I did find out that I am close to burning out. My total was a number of 45, which means that um, I need to be careful because I might be at risk of burnout, particular if several scores are high, and that it takes time to burn out. I did not know this. I thought that a burnout was like I knew it takes a certain amount of time, but I didn't know that it could take up to years for it to build up. I didn't know it would build up that slowly, and knowing that is like really like eye opening, just because um I have two jobs. I used to work three jobs, and I would do full time school, and my coworkers would always tell me that I need to like drop some jobs because I'm gonna burn myself out, or I'm gonna burn out faster at a young age. And I never took it seriously, but as I am within these last months with COVID and everything, I really haven't been feeling like myself. I usually I stopped going to one of my jobs. I quit because it was just too much. I couldn't handle it anymore. So I am currently just working one job right now. And I feel like answering the last poll that really caught my attention, that told me that I was close to burning out, really helped me take a step back and take time, definitely rest and get the sleep I need, eat healthy, and worry about myself the most, because I am what matters right now, and I need to be healthy in order to prevent a burnout, because according to the poll that I did take, I am close to a burnout. But overall, it really did, the workshop did show me how to cope with stress and burnouts, and the polls that Orlando did have helped me out to realize a lot of the things that I didn't know already.